Hello, today we will learn about flow controls. Before we learn about flow controls, we should understand the comparison operators. Look at this table of comparison operators. For instance, the first column shows the operators, the second column shows the description, and third column shows the example, and the last column shows the result of these operators. Now you can see a equals to 7. Having that, look at these last couple of columns, example and the result, to understand the behavior of the comparison operators. In the first row, a equal to 5, we know a equal to 7, so that is not true. So in the result column it shows false. In the second row, a is not equal to 5, that is true. In the third row, a is greater than 5, that is also true. And in the next row, a is less than 5, so that is false. And a is greater than equal to 8, that is also correct. And the last row, a is less than or equal to 7, we know that a is equal to 7, so that condition also true. Keep in your mind always these comparison operators gives us a Boolean result. It means true or false. To understand this further, let's try with an example and see the result. First, we will define some variables and assign Boolean values to that. First variable is I am true, and we will assign it equals true. And second variable, you are also true, and we will assign the value true to that also. If I am true equal to sign, you are also true, colon. Colon is the header to separate the header line from the body of it. After that, we will print. We let to print this. This equal to sign checks whether the first variable is equal to second variable. If so, it allows us to print the line below. Now we will consider the behavior of AND operator and O operator with if condition. Now we will open a new window and save it in our working directory, that is on the desktop, and we will type a name, save it as a Python file. Now we will define some variables, for instance a equal 5, b equals 7. If a equal to 5, we will print true. Else we will print false. Now we will save this and run. It will give us true because a equals 5. We'll alter the program a bit and a equal to 6 and save and run. It gives us false because a is not equal to 6, so instead of executing if block, it executes else block. Now we will type AND b equal to 7 and save the program and execute, it gives us true. Now we alter the program a bit once again. If a equal to 4 and b equal to 7, save and run. So it will give us false, because the first argument is false in AND situation. In this case, it doesn't check the second argument. Let's change AND into O and execute the program. In this situation, if the first argument is false, it checks for the second argument, so then it gives us true. Now we will change the second argument into false output. So O situation still checks for the second argument and gives us false. O operators checks both arguments. AND operators doesn't check the right side of the argument unless the left side of the argument is true. We will learn more about if condition in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. See you again.